Businesses lose up to $20 billion every single year with emails not landing in the inbox, instead with them going to the spam folder. So don't let deliverability issues cost you this year. So let's fix that with proven strategies to make sure that your emails are going to the inbox. Let's dive straight into the video. During the holiday season, inboxes become overflowing, but spam filters become more stricter, and businesses that fail to optimize their campaigns will miss out. So let's find out how you hit the inbox, and when you're in the inbox, actually stand out. So here are 3 proven strategies that you can implement today, making sure going into the new year that you can optimize your email deliverability and email campaigns. Sending the same email to your audience isn't just ineffective, it will also damage your sender reputation. So here is how to segment for better results. Focus on engagement users, so people who open and click and engage with your email. Use purchase history. Send tailored messages to your past customers who have bought from you. Segment by activity level. You can do this by separating your users who have been more active with your recent emails and then your other users who haven't been that active with your past emails. Then consider time zones and locations. And what I mean by this is your audience are going to be in different parts of the world. So you need to make sure that when you send those emails, you're sending them at the best times to make sure that they are going to open your emails and engage with them. Segmentation improves relevance and it reduces unsubscribe rates. And this in turn will boost your deliverability. Spam filters are designed to catch strange behavior and weird language that are used in emails. So you need to make sure to avoid these following mistakes. Skip spammy words like free, buy now, act now, anything like this. Avoid all caps, excessive exclamation marks, and misleading subject lines. Make sure all of your emails have a clear unsubscribe button. Not only is it polite, it's also legally required. And then finally, focus on bringing content to your audience that is authentic and brings value. Overloaded inboxes mean spam filters are now stricter more than ever. So keep your content clear and trustworthy so your emails are going to the inbox. Your sender reputation is like your email credit score. Without it, your emails won't get past the spam filters. So this is how you can build it and protect it. You need to authenticate your emails by setting up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC correctly. Then you need to warm up your email domain, and you can do this by sending small amounts of volumes of emails to show different email providers that you are trustworthy. And you can start small by sending 5 to 10 emails a day, and gradually over a period of time, you can start sending more and more volumes. And to help you with this, you can use an email deliverability tool to help you with the automation of this. And then you need to avoid sudden spikes in emails. Consistency is key to maintaining trust. Then you need to monitor your sender score regularly, making sure if you come across any problems, you can then fix them, and this won't affect any of your campaigns or anything like this. Skipping the warm-up process can send your emails to spam, regardless of how good the content of your emails are. Businesses using tools like Warmy see up to a 30% increase in their deliverability and engagement rates. Do you know what level of deliverability your email has? Well, if you don't, this is critical information that you need to know, and you need to know fast. Well, here at Warmy, we've got you covered because we offer a free email deliverability test with the link in the video description down below. Now watch this video, which will show you how you can go ahead and do this test for yourself. So if you want to use the free email deliverability test, you want to come to the Warmy website, and then once you're here, click on free tools and come down to email deliverability test. And then you're going to click on start test. And then once you're here, you're going to want to come down to this button and copy these test emails. These are going to be the emails that you send an email to from your email account. Once you're on your email account, you want to come up to here, paste in the email addresses that you copied, and then you want to come down to subject, and you can name this whatever you like. For this example, let's call it test. And then here, let's just put in, this is a test. And then you want to come down here and press send. Once that's sent, you want to come back to the Warmy page here. And then you want to come down and press check email deliverability. And then at the top here, you'll see that the email deliverability test starts. And now as the test near its completion, as you scroll down, you can see here are your results showing you the placement test with the inbox, the spam, and any unreceived. And then back here at the top, you're able to download the results of your email deliverability test and have a look at them by pressing this button here. And here you can see are your email deliverability results. And then once you've downloaded your results and you've gone through everything, you can take the necessary steps to optimize your overall email deliverability. Don't let spam filters be the reason as to why going into the new year, your email campaigns aren't a success. Act now and you will have an optimized email deliverability. And if you want to sign up for our 7-day free trial, then you can see for yourself how well you can optimize your email deliverability, taking it from here to that next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.